everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. As you've seen, we're turning right at 14,000 RPM on this highly modified X-Torque 365 372 chainsaw. Show you some of the features on this. This is going to be sold as a parts chainsaw. It will be disabled at the end of this video, but I'll show you some of the features it has. Kill switch is right here. Throttle lock. Operator presence lever. It won't throttle up unless your hand's in place. Choke is on the right. Decompression valve on the top. Working chain brake. Brand new 24-inch Husqvarna bar with 3/8 pitch chain. Sprocket nose. It's a replaceable tip. You can see where you can pop the rivets on it. Large falling spikes, wrap handlebars, chain tensioner. Loosen the two bar nuts up. Right on the side there's your tensioner. If you're needing a parts saw, this is going to be sold as a parts saw. It will be non-running condition when you receive it. If you're needing some high-performance parts, want to see how they're made, here's a good one.